continuing our narrative on purchasing the thermostats, but this session can also be used just kind of in general if you have a PO created for something and you receive an invoice for which you've created a PO. So we're going to go to Outlook, and we've received an invoice from ACE for the thermostats. So we're going to go ahead and open that up, take a look at it. Simple little invoice for a dozen thermostats. And this makes it so much easier for people with dual monitors, and most people use dual monitors. You can pull different documents up on different screens. You get the idea. So let's take a look at the purchase order, and we do a search on purchase orders, and here's our PO from ACE. So we'll pull that up, take a look at it, and we can compare. This is what we ordered, and what we're looking at here is pricing, right? If you've already done in a three-way match, if you've already done compared some type of delivery document, bill of lading, some type of shipper, receiver, to the PO to make sure that you've received what you ordered, not necessarily the price, but just what you've received. Did they do the service? Did we get 6 of these or 50 of those? Here we're comparing pricing. So we can look and see, yep, we've got $1,320 a total, $110 each. Yep, we're good. The pricing's good. So we can go ahead and close this. And what we want to do now is go ahead and right from the PO, we're going to create an invoice record right from this PO. So we'll do that, and we'll just drag the invoice attachment, grab it right out of Outlook, drag it right into the application, and here we go. Notice it's already filled in. It knows it's an invoice. It knows it's for ACE Hardware. It linked the PO that we created this invoice from. Did the GL accounts because we had that on the PO. Here's the invoice total. The only thing we have to tell it is invoice number and invoice date. Invoice number 12345, and I probably used this a couple times. We'll add a 6 to it. Invoice date, let's give it, what is it? May 15th. There's all the information we need. That was 2 entries, and boom. Now we can go ahead and route this. We're ready to get this in the queue to be paid. So, whoever you send it to from here, finance, a specific person, we're going to go ahead and just send it to, Tim Hotmail, Victor, and basically say that it's, as far as we're concerned, it's ready to post. Everybody's got some different scenario for that, and we probably we'll talk about the statuses in another section.